5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 equals? 10. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. How many?
8.
Equals?
8.
Wow, very good. 2 plus 2.
4.
4. Or 3 plus 3. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4.
6. Very good. Ang galing naman. Oh, more. 1 plus 1 equals?
2.
2.
1, 2.
Very good. How about 5 plus 3?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
How many?
8.
8. Ang galing mo naman. Very good.